We welcome you to the neighborhood. This is the Flimora collaboration with 27 artists over 3 huge days. And on day 1, we have Julie Eber from Art by Julie E, Kaylin Simmons from Venom Fluid Art, Christy Connolly from Creations by Christy, Chris Glatte from Chris Glatte Art, Michelle Johnson from Royal River Art, Kristen and Kayla from K&K Create, Shannon Baxman from Shambee Fluid Art, Kerry Leyland from KL Artistic, Laurie Houston from Laurie Houston Art, and on day 2 we've got Janice Pittman from Just Janice, Kelly Stowell from Feral Art, Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art, Jeanette Winninger from Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty, Anna Blunt from Anna Blunt Art, Lisa Marvin from Lisa Marvin Art, Tony Pender from Hippie Dippy Painter Man, Nate Bright from Nate Bright Art, Donna Cipriano from It's Art by Donna, and on day 3 we have Laurie Finser from Art by Sparkle, Taslima Mayer from Taslima Mayer Art, Tracy Paradis from Perfections Art by Tracy, Garrick Brown from Garrick Brown Art Studio, Moose from Moose Crazy's Flowing Canvas, Mary Kirk from Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk, Raina Thielen from Raina Thielen, the Witch of What the Angie Mason from Angie Mason Fluid Art. And hosting the Fluid of Us, we've got Nathan Linzel from The Fine Art of Distraction. So come join in the fun over 3 huge days where all 27 artists choose their favourite scene from the movie The Wizard of Oz and use the colours from that scene to paint with. The artists can do any technique they want, so you will see lots of magic happening. So sit back and enjoy The Fluid of Oz, an artist collaboration.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Art by Julie E. I am Julie E. And I am, how do I put it? I'm cleaning off my shelves, finding little bits of like satin enamel house paints in the bottom of cans. So I kind of threw those all together and then threw in some Floetrol, threw in some GAC, threw in some Liquitex pouring medium, thinking, yeah, they worked in the past kind of, maybe I can get them to work again for doing a cloud pearl pour. Well, looks are deceiving. Don't let the air bubbles fool you, because they fooled me. And I'm really sorry about the editing on this one. It's pretty disjointed. Do I fast forward through some? Do I not fast forward through some? Do I allow all the nonsense talking and stuff? Do I do the voiceover? So yeah, I've sped it up. I've done a voiceover. My end product does not come out how I wanted it to. So we're going to use that for next week's video. So this is kind of part 1 of a part 2, because the end product is going to go through quite a bit of embellishment, but I wanted to kind of show you how I got to this result and how we go on to the embellishment, because I have a really cool product that I want to show you. It's really cool to play with, and it works with alcohol inks, paints, spray paints, UV resin, works with UV resin. It's a pretty cool product, and yeah, I can't wait to show you that, but we have to go through this to get to that. So, but yeah, I'm cleaning off my cabinets and getting rid of some old stuff and trying to mix in some new stuff too, like the Bear satin enamel untinted deep base 7300 stuff, to try and see if I can get other things to work. And yeah, it was kind of a failed experiment. It doesn't look like it too much here. As you can see, all the little pearl cells popping up and everything. It deceived me too, but it was just a reaction from the satin enamels coming up through the air bubbles that popped. And I didn't catch it right away in my brain. So yeah. This is a really cool canvas. but I think it's cursed. Nothing I seem to do on it works. It has a big kind of ripple spiral type thing in the center there that I did with modeling paste. So it's got that really cool swooshy swirl kind of texture to it. But man, I was trying to do some abstract blending and stuff on it, and everything just turned to mud. But yeah, there you can see kind of all the products that I was using in doing this. There's the golden fluid acrylic, iridescent gold, golden fluid acrylic, phthalo deep. I think we've got high flow, golden high flow in teal, and Lucas krill in indigo. So those are our colors. That's the color palette. I'm not going to give you this recipe because it didn't work. Straight up honest, it didn't work. So, and there you can see the consistency. It's pretty much like water. But yeah, the results I did get are okay. I'm really hard on myself. So, and yeah. Yeah, I'm really hard on myself. I think if I were to see this painting done by somebody else, I would probably think, oh, that's so cool, that's so pretty. But when I do it, I see all the little, no, that could have been better. No, that shouldn't be there. And yeah, so I'm really tough on myself. Okay, I will let you watch it from here and check out the end product and everything. And remember, this will not be its final appearance. I can't wait to show you this new stuff that I'm playing with. It's really fun. Remember to do the Yubi-Tubi things, please, before I go and turn on the music. Do the Yubi-Tubi things, the likey, subscribees, and share it with a friend or family member. I'd really appreciate it. It's free to you and it helps me a lot. Oh, yeah, that's right. We have a great chain tonight too, but I'll get to that at the end. All right. See you then. Okay, I like it from that perspective right there. Can you see kind of the curves of the modeling paste there on the canvas? There, now you can see it better. But yeah, I'm digging it. There's parts of it I don't care for, but there's other parts of it that I really love. And yeah, I swear I was gonna call this video Polishing the Turd. But there's still more polishing to do with this turd next week, so please come back and watch and see what I do with it, because yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna have fun. Please stay around for the Massey Boys. They're coming up next. If you get a chance, go back and check out Just Janice. She started off our little chain. So she is the first link in our chain. Then it's me, then it's Massey. And I will see you later tonight over on the Artist Haven channel for Artapalooza. Until next time, guys, stay safe. Loves and hugs you all. Bye.